I'm Poppy. I'm about to be crowned Queen of the Trolls, so I'm getting ready for my coronation. I'm so excited. Can you help me? Wow, look at all my accessories. I just don't know what to choose. Oh heck, I'll wear them all. Let's brush my hair. And add these here and some more over here. There, done. What do you think? Great, huh? I must show you my coronation pod. Eek! Here it is. Isn't it lovely? This is my friend Branch. Branch, which of these two dresses should I wear to the coronation? I don't know, whichever. Oh, come on, Mr. Grumpy Guts. I love them both and I just can't decide. Yellow one. Thanks, Branch. There. Quick brush of my hair again. And which crown goes best? Yellow? Okay, yellow. Oh, come on, Branch. This is a happy day. Every day is a happy day. Come and dance with me. Look at the lights. Oh, pretty. Oh, look. All our friends have come to see us. Here's Guy, Diamond, Smidge, Hopper and Fuzzbert. Hey, you guys need a quick comb if you're walking to my coronation with Branch and me. All set? Let's go! Oh, wow! After all that excitement, I'm so tired. It's been a wonderful day. I'll comb my hair before bed.
Always let your true colors shine.
Do you think you could give me a big hug? I love hugs. I love you. I love everything. So happy.
Roll your mouse over the screen and click on the top right-hand corner for more information.